No mercy para sa Pangasinan Heatwaves kalaban ang Bulacan Kuyas. Second game ni Muscleman Vic Manuel, naghalimaw ulit sa ilalim.
Celso and R. De Leon. Vic Manuel for 3.
Joray Napoles on the weak side post.
A redemption season para sa Pangasinan after hindi makapasok sa playoffs last season. Panoodin ang full game highlights ng game mga kabig time.
Lervin, yes! Block on De Leon. Gabo. Oh, what a pass.
What a pass.
Gusto ko yung ginagawa ng Gregorio.
Right.
Wow, Padilla, but there's a foul.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!
Pangasinan wins the tip. Rebound agad ni Abo. Mabulak in the paint. Basket plus the foul.
Ang laki na kinaiba ng laro ni Mike Mabulak recently. Even in
De Leon attacks the defense. He'll get the bounce.
yun yung magiging challenge na pagdidrill going downhill. He's got to move his feet a little bit faster and be quick to get to open spots. Samantalang Galanza, yan naman ang hinahanap. Ilagay mo pa si King Gortiza, pwede rin yan.
Mike De Gregorio.
Mike De Gregorio, andun pa.
Probably the most accomplished
That played previously. I was telling Javi nga na malamang itong season na to is a lot of guards would shore up because of maybe that.
Gortiza there. Bongga Lanza. Napakaswabe ng galaw na yun, guys.
I feel kailangan niya yung mga shots na yun so that he gets into a rhythm and he's taking really good shots din.
Gortiza knocks down that baseline jumper.
Gusto ko talaga yung aggressiveness ni King Gortiza. Yeah, ganda rin ng catch and shoot situation and perfect pass to from Joray Napoles on the weak side post. Quarter in the second time na talagang pumukpok ng gusto.
Osico's jumper is good.
Really shooting that well from 3 points. So a lot of the points really points coming from the paint.
Manuel. That's a wise decision for Art Aquino and Celso and R. De Leon. Vic Manuel for 3.
Yan ang delikado. Gortiza could be there also and Bongga Lanza. Those three at least you expect to make shots from the outside.
Art. Gabo pulls up. Yes. Sabi, nag-promise ba si Hesed?
Risk to reward kasi yan eh. Sabi niya, minsan sa amin sa posisyon namin being point guard.
Ibang klase talaga yung wisdom ni Hesed, Gabo.
Sabi ko,
gusto ko yung ginagawa ng Pangasinan Heatwaves dito, no? They are Gregorio. Binalik niya kay Lervin Flores, that would have been an easy stuff.
Right. Actually, inaantay ko nga eh.
Pangasinan. Mike De Gregorio. To Hesed Gabo for 3. Yes!
That exactly is how leading, Good steal.
Another steal here by Mike Mabulak. Easy too.
That's just good recognition by Mike Mabulak.
Swings it over to Gortiza. Gortiza.
Oh man.
What a move.
Wow.
What a move.
He just never runs out of surprises, Tsaka yung bilis ng pihit,
Espiritu using the right hand.
Good drive.
Lakas na team eh.
Oo. Lalo na, with the kind of almost totally revamped itong Bulacan team.
Martinez, kasama niya si Mickey Head Rudy Distrito and our head of operations, Emer Oreta, Haley Ajero. Knocks down the 3 off the timeout. Sa tira ni R. De Leon, 3-on-2 break. Mabulak.
There you go.
Lays it in off the glass.
And you just love seeing Mike. And they were playing in front of their hometown crowd.
Celso, the jumper. Oh, shout out ko na.
Oo.
Coach.
Ang dami mga batang ginaya yung kanyang paglalaro.
Ako.
Ganun ba?
Oo.
Oh man.
Isa sa mga paborito gayahin yan. Pero ito, hirap gayahin ito.
So pag dumadrive ka, bumubunggo ka rin muna.
Ay, nako. Down low. Bulawan, layup plus the foul.
Non-paint twos. They can get a lot out of it. so that it helps spread the floor, at least if you don't have the threes.
Vic Manuel.
Yun ang
Nice
delikado.
pass. Squeezed in by Vic Manuel. Or saves the basketball. Natapik ni R.R. De Leon. Marlon Espiritu. Blocked by Fontanilla, but there's a foul.
What a leap.
Jerson immediately asking for a challenge. That was fun.
The contact going down, right?
Ano yung contact eh? Ganung klase.
You know, in as much as, oh, what a drive by Josh. But as a
OFWs in any way, but to open the eyes ng mga kabataan sa magandang oportunidad na dinadala ng MPBL at huwag mawala ng pag-asa.
Pascua. Draw pass to Celso. Bank shot is good.
The good teams would have a defender in front of you, but the better offensive teams would be able to finish across that. Oh, JR Taganas.
Josh. The Japs for 3. Good.
There you go. And as I talked,
Flores has yet to score. LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL. Maraming salamat sa LGR. So it's only
What
drops
a
it off
pass.
to Lervin. Yes.
now that's the Pampanga Giant Lanterns Lervin that we want to see.
Scored in this ball game. R.R. De Leon. Oh, basket plus the foul para kay R.R. De Leon. You know what impresses me now is the shot clock. Pascua gets away. The drop pass to Bulawan.
Good spin.
Napoles comes up with the block on De Leon. Gabo. Oh, what a pass.
What a pass.
And a great finish from Mike De Gregorio. And for sure,
First half of that win against the Bataan, but the good thing is they were able to recover, and you know they're continuing to play this way. And the minutes that good pass.
to Lervin Flores defensively. Again, looking very cool. Sana hindi kayo, sana alert kayo kasi patapos na yung laro. And Pangasinan will go 2-0 after winning over Bulacan. 91-51 is our final score.
You don't like that! You don't like NBA basketball!